Okay, let's start from chain meter to km per sec by multiply this one and name this is L lap. Copy down, name one is penalty, this one is bullet, and extra time here. So first one, round sum of lap per km, so 3 times here, and copy down. Next one, round sum again, but only if we miss, so get 0 here, otherwise penalty by speed and then plus bullet. Same for second set here. Okay, copy down. Level 3, okay, same formula, but I need to add lap per speed 3 times. 1 lap per speed, and last one here, and then just copy down, and then I'll copy here and copy to this one. Then this I need 2 times, so I copy paste here, and then I can remove the first one and cut everything else, then put back into this sum. Okay, copy here, and then this one have to add pre-time, so minus time from above and plus time from above and minus minimum time of all here. Okay, copy down. Then last one, so I need to cut this one and paste here, and this one we need to add the extra time, so it's multiplied by sum of time from this here and this one. Okay, easy to see here, so I copy format from here and then copy down and copy for the next 3 round here, so 1, 2, okay, 3, and sum everything, so round and sum here. Okay, go next and go to next one and last one. Okay, go. Okay, then round, copy down, done, stop time. So that's all. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye.